The Hotronix Auto Open Clam is one of the most popular heat presses in our lineup. It's sold in a 16 by 20 size, a 16 by 16 inch size, or an 11 by 15 inch size, giving you lots of options for your business. In this video, I'll be demonstrating the features and benefits of the 16 by 20 press. First, let's talk about how you operate the machine. It's a clamshell, so all you do is grab the handle and lock the machine down. This machine, as the name implies, features an automatic opening feature, which means when the timer is finished, the press automatically opens for you. People love this because they can multitask and get a lot done with just one person in their operation, or often one person can operate multiple machines. Again, you just lock the machine down, it counts down to 0 based on the time you've set, and it automatically opens. Additionally, as you saw here, this press is very easy to lock down. It has a magnetic assisted lockdown that makes it easy for anybody. Now, let's talk a little bit about what makes this heat press so accurate, and that has to do with how it measures time, temperature, and pressure on the control board. One of the hallmarks of any Hotronix machine is their accuracy, and that starts right here in the control board. I hit the mode button and I can quickly adjust and set my temperature. You can trust that the temperature that is reading and set on the control board is the temperature that it's achieving anywhere on the heater for application. I hit the mode button again and I go to a set time setting. Something unique about this press is it has twin time settings. So I can program my first time setting for 2 seconds for my preheat of my garment and my second time setting for the full application dwell. The time is fairly simple. It counts down, and as we saw, it opens automatically when it's completed. Now, with no indicator lights illuminated, we can see the temperature that the machine is actually at. And that's where we start to talk about the third element, and that is pressure. You'll see a 0 here in the bottom right-hand corner with a little pressure icon. This is my digital pressure display. When I lock the machine down, you will see the pressure display illuminate with a number. This number is from 0 to 9. It is based on the pressure the machine is actually achieving on your item. That's unique for clamshell presses and machines out in the industry, to read pressure without being connected to an air compressor. This machine delivers that, and it's one of our patented features. Now, to adjust the pressure, let's take a look at our over-center pressure adjustment. The over-center pressure adjustment is a knob right at the center of my top platen. I can turn the knob clockwise to lower the platen, thus increasing my pressure, or turn it counterclockwise to decrease my pressure and raise the platen. So let's increase our pressure. With an increased pressure, I lock the machine into place, and I'm seeing my pressure display light indicating at a 7. It was just a 3 a moment ago. So now I know I'm on the firmer side of the pressure scale, which is 0 to 9. A 1, 2, and a 3 is a light pressure, a 4, 5, 6 is a medium pressure, and a 7, 8, 9 is a firm pressure. With your item loaded onto the press, you can adjust the over-center pressure adjustment knob back and forth to get the pressure that your application calls for, ensuring you get 100% accuracy on the machine. To understand how you load the machine, we are going to grab this garment and talk a little bit about how we have this heat press set up. Now, the Hotronix Auto Open Clam just comes as it is and can sit on any tabletop with its feet. But we have 2 accessories that are extremely popular and highly recommended when you invest in this press. One is the heat press caddy. That's the freestanding floor stand that we're using the machine on right now that's height adjustable. We also have a countertop version of this floor stand called the counter caddy. Both of these items do the same thing, and basically they raise the press into a cantilever design to make it threadable. That means completely open underneath, so you can split your item and load it onto a press to make sure that it's flat, so you get even, accurate pressure that the display is reading out, that it's actually being applied to your transfer. And so to load your item, we always recommend that you split it open over the bottom platen, and now I'm dealing with only one layer of fabric that's completely flat and loaded onto the machine. If there were any seam structures, zippers, buckles, buttons, they can all hang beneath the machine to give me this flat printing surface. So I can make sure that the garments that I'm applying in my business are durable and they're going to last for the clients, so I get those repeat orders. Now, in addition to just being able to thread your standard garments over this heat press, I want to show you a demonstration here with how we thread a hoodie. Now, This hoodie is threaded and we have a pretty flat printing area, but we have the pocket up on the printing surface that's going to absorb the pressure. So our goal here is to get the print area, the front area, completely flat. And that really brings forward one of the biggest benefits of any Hotronix machine, and that's the interchangeable attachments. By unlocking a latch and removing this pin registration platen, I can swap off the 16 by 20 or whatever my standard size is, and I can load a more appropriate size for the item. There are many different platens available for your Hotronix machine that are compatible with the Auto Open Clam that will solve these printing issues. Now, with the 11 by 15 loaded, I can split the item, I can get to a flat pressing area. In the pocket, all the seam structure hangs off the edge, so we are completely flat on the printing surface to make sure the pressure that is reading is the pressure that I'm achieving on my print zone. When you look at this simplicity of how you load items on the press, how you set the time, temperature, and pressure, and how easy it is to lock down, I think this is one of the most easy to use machines that's out there on the market. We've developed this machine with you in mind to help you grow your business. And likewise, we have a premium warranty on this machine and great tech support. There's a 1-800 number that you can call and get a live technician on the line if you have any questions on the machine once you install it into your business. This is Hotronix, made in the USA, prints more items, prints them accurately, helps you grow. Good luck with your heat press investment.